What's up, people? I'm going to show you a really cool website that you can use to get started learning how to code. So, without further ado, let us go to the website, which is called codingproject.com. It's a really interesting website. So, this website, when you just click on all paths, they will show you where you want to get started. Do you want to get started with foundations, or you want to get started with full stack Ruby on Rails, or you want to start on full stack JavaScript, and then that's it. So for the foundations, when you click on explore, they will have detailed, organized sections. So you learn the introduction, they'll tell you the prerequisites, and then you learn about Git basics, you learn about HTML foundations, and then you're going to learn about CSS foundations, Flexbox, JavaScript basics, and conclusions. So literally, after getting all these foundation course, you will literally learn like just the basics just to get started, to proceed to the next level. Like if you want to concentrate more on other stuff. So um, this is a really organized way of doing things. And let's say, for instance, if I go to Git Basics, they have detailed introduction, and even they have like an assignment for you can do. So this is literally free. You don't need to pay for it. So you don't need to pay anything, guys. You see, when you go to Full Stack Ruby on Rails, they have like 44 lessons. You just go consistently, one lesson at a time, and then after that they after that they'll be having like a test that you'll be doing. Like for instance, let me click on the course. You see, they have the courses here. Let's go back to the JavaScript, full stack JavaScript. So here you learn a lot of things. You learn about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, advanced HTML, CSS, React, Node.js, and then you'll get strategies like on how to get a job. Like for instance, like let us just read here. Web development is a lifelong journey of learning and growth. Continue that journey on a professional development team. You learn where to find jobs, how to do great interviews, and the best strategies to launch your career. So, like this course is amazing. Like after you finish all this course, they have a course for you to learn how to get a job. This is really cool, guys. So don't forget to go to this website. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe and also like the video and share. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video.